Threatening messages on social media. A big ruling from the Supreme Court today could make it harder to prosecute the people who make those online threats. And it comes as welcome news for a New Braunfels man accused in a similar case. Fox San Antonio's Robert Price joins us live in the newsroom to explain tonight. Robert.
Well, good evening. It's been more than 2 years since a New Braunfels teenager named Justin Carter was arrested for something he wrote on Facebook. He hasn't even gone to trial yet, but his attorney tells us today's Supreme Court ruling should be a big help.
They took away my best friend for nothing.
Jack Carter couldn't believe it back in early 2013 when he found out his 18-year-old son had been arrested. Bail set at $500,000 and a charge of making terroristic threats, all for something he wrote while playing video games online.
He's just this nerdy little kid. He literally played video games 8 to 10 hours a day.
During a Facebook chat with another player, Justin wrote, "I think I'ma shoot up a kindergarten and watch the blood of the innocent rain down." Now out on bond, thanks to an anonymous donor, he told us he was just being sarcastic.
You can get in trouble for something that's not something you should get in trouble for. And I just want people to be warned.
Now fast forward 2 years to a similar case involving a Pennsylvania man convicted for violent Facebook messages, this time in front of the U.S. Supreme Court.
Judge Roberts, during the oral argument, mentioned Justin's case.
The court has now thrown out the Pennsylvania man's conviction, saying he should be judged by the intent and not the perception of his words.
It's a just result.
Justin's attorney, Don Flanary of San Antonio, says the ruling will directly benefit their case.
If we get to a jury, the jury will now be instructed, what was Justin's intent? Did he intend to threaten somebody, or was he just being sarcastic?
The standard used to be, would a reasonable person consider these words a threat? Not anymore.
You don't look at the audience, you look at the artist, you look at the person, you look at the person saying it, because it's their mind and their words. If you don't intend to do something wrong, then you're not guilty of it.
Carter's attorney has already filed a pretrial appeal saying that this prosecution is illegal and it shouldn't even go to trial. He'll be making that argument in court in Austin next week. Reporting live in the newsroom, Robert Price, Fox News at 9.